Do you want to study in Canada for free? And have you been watching videos of scholarship or how to get scholarship and you still don't know what way to go? This is the best video for you to watch because today I'll be taking you through step by step of how to apply for scholarships that are available in Canada. So, oh, na, 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 oh, it's PASCOKE again. Hello guys, and you're welcome to the journey of a Naija boy. My name is Pascal Oke, or you can call me Pascali, that you already know. For those of you that are new here, I say thank you and you're welcome for joining us. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to click on the red button to subscribe. Click on the notification button too, so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new video. Today, I'll be taking you step by step through the process of applying for scholarship. If you have not watched my trending video which is about scholarship or studying for free in Canada, you should do well to watch it now before we start this, because today I'll be taking you through one of the scholarship and how to apply for it. And this thing that I'm going to be doing today, this is the first time that I'm going to be doing it, capturing my screen and walking you through how to apply for or how to look for this particular scholarship. And this is going to be like a government scholarship, and it is for all international students. And I'm saying it is for all international students. I'm going to show you, you're going to see what it looks like, and I'm going to take you through step by step. So without wasting much of our time, I think the only thing is I have to ask you to commit to subscribing to my channel right now. I'm going to wait. I'm going to count like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Have you subscribed? Thank you very much for subscribing. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to dive straight into how to apply or search for this scholarship step by step. So guys, I have repositioned myself to show you how to go through it. The first thing that you need to do is open your browser, and whatever browser you're using anyway. If you remember in my video where I spoke about studying in Canada, study for free in Canada, I talked to you about government of Canada scholarships and scholarships that are on the immigration website. So today we'll be going through to the immigration website, and the address is cic.gc.ca, just as you can see, cic.gc.ca. And this is the landing page, kind of, not the landing page, but the first page that you're going to see, and it's going to ask you whether or not you want it in English. Then you click on English. If you're a French speaking person, just click on the French. And now we'll go ahead to the menu. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I am as lazy as most of us that are on this video chat right now. So once you get here, you click on money and finances. And once you click on money and finances, you see other things beside here. Then you can click on the education funding. Once you click on the education funding, you get to this page. This page is going to tell you about scholarships, budgeting for student life, student line of credit. All these things are like things that are really good for everybody. But then today, because of what we are talking about, which is scholarships, and we're going to click on scholarships. And once you click on scholarships, you're going to see a lot of scholarships that are available, and this is on the government website. A lot of scholarships that are available, and you can see the Canada Graduate Scholarships for Master's Program. You see the Venia Canada Graduate Scholarships. You see Bantam Postgraduate Fellowship and all those things. You see different kind of scholarship, and now you can see for international scholarships for non-Canadians. So there's international scholarships for Canadians also. Most of all the scholarships that are here, they are also for both Canadians and non-Canadians. So you can actually go through if you have the time to go through them. But then today I'll be focusing on international scholarships for non-Canadian, because you guys are my guys. So you are the ones that I'm focusing on. You can also see international business scholarships as well. But then, so you click on international scholarships for non-Canadians, and it's going to load. And now it has redirected us to another page, which you can go to directly to. The address is educanada.ca/scholarships and everything. So on this page, you will see international scholarships opportunity for non-Canadians, and you will see that there are a bunch of scholarships here. And if you go through, you can see my mouse. You see the way I'm moving through. This is one scholarship here for an educational scholarship, educational exchanges for development, seed, for mid-career professionals. So you will see, if you click on guidelines, you will see all the guidelines for the scholarship, what you need to do before you can get those scholarships, what how you need to apply and all those things. And if you scroll down, you will see scholarships for Latin America and the Caribbean. Now you will see scholarships from Algeria, Bangladesh, Burkina Faso, Egypt, Ethiopia, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Jordan, Kenya, Libya, and you see Nigeria. For my Nigerian people, you see scholarships that are from Nigeria, meaning that you qualify for this scholarship because these scholarships are international scholarships that you can apply for. If you're from Rwanda, if you're from Kenya, my Kenyan people. And this is the reason why I always tell you guys that when I'm doing videos, I want you guys to like drop the place that you're watching me from in the comment section, so that when next time I'm looking for content, I know what I'm targeting, I know the audience that I'm targeting, and I know that today this is like the first time I'm doing this. So really, it is for almost everybody. And if you take your time to look through those pages, you will see that you can actually find things that are dedicated to you and to you alone. And that is why I'm showing you this. So we're going to look for this. This is Studying in Canada scholarships, and it says for Canadian institution. And we will click on the guidelines to see what we need to do before we can qualify for this scholarship. Unfortunately, this scholarship is closed for the 2021-2022 academic year. And this is what it is, because now I'm doing this video in October 2021. Apparently, the 2021-2022 session starts in January winter of 2021. Another one starts in summer. For those of you that do not know about the Canadian university calendar, I also did a video about that. You can also check it out. Canadian university semesters and application deadlines. The semesters are winter, summer, some have spring semesters, and they have fall semester. The last semester that you can actually resume, which is more or less like the only first semester in Canada you can resume, is in September, which is the fall semester. So meaning that this competition, this scholarship is actually closed for the 2021-2022, but then it is open for 2022-2023. So you can always go through, and it says who applies: the Canadian postgraduate post-secondary institutions, meaning that for those of you that wants to come to university for masters, for BSc, for PhD, it applies to you guys. And it says, note, only Canadian institutions can submit application on behalf of candidates. They may choose to set their own internal deadline to receive supporting documents. And this is why I say to you guys that when you are talking about looking for scholarship, most of us are just saying, I'm looking for scholarship, I'm looking for scholarship. You don't even apply to any school. And this is trying to tell us that the schools sometimes are the ones that are even like what do they call it? Like the guardian of the scholarship. Most of these scholarships are directly issued to the school, meaning that you need to apply to your school first before you can even qualify for some of this scholarship. You just go ahead and say, I don't have money. That is like the most, not the annoying excuse that I hear. But then if you're looking for scholarship, you're not even ready to even pay a little to even fund whatever you're looking for, because you need to pay application fee. And application fee, nobody's going to. There are few schools that you can actually apply to without even paying anything, but then most of these schools you need to pay. You need to pay like $100 or $150 as application fee before they can even review your document to see. And this is saying to you that only Canadian institutions can submit application on behalf of candidates for this scholarship. And those guys might decide to set deadlines or for receiving your supporting document and everything. And the description says the Study in Canada scholarship program provides students from post-secondary institutions located in the new eligible countries, territories with short-term exchange opportunities for study or research in Canadian post-secondary institution at the college, undergraduate and graduate level. Just like I said to you, all these scholarships are for undergraduates, BSc, for masters, and even for colleges too as well. And there's exchange program too also, because some people have asked me about can I move from my 200 level to this thing, to a Canadian institution. Yes, there's exchange program and you can move, but you need to find out what the requirements are and everything. So these are the guidelines. The Study in Canada scholarship program is facilitated through institutional collaborations and student whatever. These are things that you can read by yourself, but then see the roles and responsibility for everybody. The Canadian post-secondary institution, what they are meant to do. They said the institutions are responsible for submitting application on behalf of eligible candidates from institutions in the eligible countries or territories, meaning that this is more like them talking about the exchange program, which means that if you even apply from a non-Canadian institution and you apply to a Canadian institution, they would put together your application to help you all together. All these things are things that you can read through, but because just like I said, me too, I'm lazy. I feel like all of us are lazy, and things that we don't know sometimes can be more than us. And this is why I'm doing this. And this is saying to non-Canadian candidates from eligible countries and institutions or territories, these are the things that you need to know about. Candidates interested in this scholarship program should contact their home institution to make their interest known. So this is talking about exchange, and it is saying that you need to talk to your institution in Nigeria, in wherever, so that they can help you and find out how to go about this thing, to find out if there is an existing institutional collaboration or exchange agreements with the Canadian institution, and request information about the exchange program application process and selection criteria specific to the Canadian partner institution, and provide all required documents. Meaning that you're meant to talk to your institution and see if they have like a collaboration with a Canadian institution, and see if there's something that they can do for you to be able to even qualify for that and be able to move you so that you can submit your application. And these are the things that you are encouraged to do. Submit your visa application as early as possible and follow the procedure of the IRCC as outlined by the Canadian institution so that you can get your visa and everything. Contact the alumni of the program, people that have done the program before, see the things that you need to do. And these are the responsibility of the the non-Canadian institution and all that. So this is one of those scholarships anyway, but then this is like the info about getting the scholarship. And you can see here there are other scholarships that you can go through: student and doctoral researchers, faculty and researchers for Canadian. For non-Canadians, you see academic institution, this frequently asked questions. You can always come there to see the things that you need to do for you to qualify for all these things. And this is it. It is not rocket science. You just need to dedicate your time to find out what the processes are, what these things are about, and then you'll be able to go about it. And you can see this is only one of the scholarships that I've looked for here. You can also go back by clicking on this place, scholarships, and it will take you, and this is on Edu Canada website anyway, and you can see that international scholarships opportunity for non-Canadians. You can go back and forth again, read through, see all the scholarships that are available. And if you still go back to where we came from, which is CIC, and this is more like a recap again. This is CIC. Go through English, click on menu, scroll down, see money and finances, click on education funding. Once you click on that, you see scholarships. You can click on all these other scholarships to Canada graduate scholarships and see what they are all about. You see it will direct you to another website that you can read about the scholarships, how to apply, what you need to do to apply. Like, this is more like spoon feeding for us anyway, but then I'm saying to you that you need to make a little bit of effort so that you can be able to do these things. And this is the little that I'll be able to do today. But I hope that you'll be able to dedicate your own time to finding out about these things, to going through all these scholarships that are available and how to go about them. And you see the things that apply to you. These are scholarships for you. See, a lot of scholarships. Just go through them, see what applies to you, see how you can even apply for them, and go ahead and submit your applications to schools and to anything. And if you need to reach out to me, if you need my services for anything, I'm going to show you. For those of you that have been asking me, I have a website and it is called PASCOKE.com. Just go to your browser again, type PASCOKE, PASCOKE.com, and enter, and you're going to see my website. Once you get to my website, it's loading. Once you get to my website, you see this. This is my landing page. You can read about me. You can read the things about me. You see my videos and everything. Then you click on the services menu. Click on services. Once you click on services, you see the services that I offer. I offer quick ask. You can ask me questions quickly. We can have like a 20 to 30 minutes session and talk about things. You see, if you need academic support and everything, the only thing you need to do is click on this. You can click blue book now, or you can click on any place. Click on book now. And because I was celebrating my 10K subscribers to everybody, I have reduced the price of the booking. It was $30 before, now it's $15. All you have to do is fill in your name, fill in your address and everything. Then the next page to take you to where you are going to put in your information. Anyway, guys, this is where I'll be drawing the curtain for today. If you have enjoyed this video, do well to click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe, share with your friends. And because the reason why I started this channel is to be able to share things like this with you guys and be able to help other people. Because when I was looking for my own, I was unable to get it. I did not get help when I was trying to apply to study. It took me a longer time. And now that I've been able to come here and see things and see opportunities that are available, I feel like it's the only reasonable thing for me to do is tell you guys about it, share it with you. I don't believe in hoarding information, and that is why I've started this YouTube channel for all of you. And if you have enjoyed this video, click the like button to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and if you need my help, you can always get through to me on my website at www.pascoke.com/services, or you can just go to services and click on any of the services that you're fine with. So till next time that I meet you again, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I remain your guy, Pascal, okay, or you can call me Pascali, that you already know. Thank you guys for joining me.